हेलो।
हम
हाउ आर
हम
यू? अमित जी, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ। आप कैसी हैं? थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर हैविंग मी हियर। इट्स फन टू
बस
कनेक्ट
बढ़िया।
लाइक इट्स फन टू कनेक्ट लाइक दिस ना, इन दिस लॉकडाउन में इस तरह से लोगों को मिलने का मौका मिल रहा है। इट्स आई एम हैविंग फन विद दिस।
Yes.
बताइए।
Okay. Help me welcome Amit Mistry ji, who is a great actor. He is a very, very creative man with a lot of other talents that he's going to talk with us today. And of course, I know Amit ji personally, and he's really been an inspiration to me in many ways. So today's chat is going to be more about his new work that he's doing for Prime Video, and also how he's been an inspirational force in my life. So, Amiji, to start with, I would like to know that just a bit about your personal life as to where you were born and how your life has been so far.
हम्म वेल आई हैव बीन अ मुंबई बॉय। तो मुंबई में स्कूलिंग फ्रॉम अ कॉन्वेंट स्कूल, फिर नरसिम्हा मोंजी कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इकोनॉमिक्स। और मजा ये था कि बिकॉज माय फादर वाज अ लॉयर, सो आई वाज लाइक कॉमर्स करेंगे और फिर लॉ करेंगे। और कॉमर्स के लिए बेस्ट कॉलेज थी एनएम, क्योंकि एनएम में एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज होती। कॉमर्स कॉलेज है लेकिन उसमें बहुत सारी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर, सो आई वाज ऑलवेज बेंट ऑन गोइंग टुवर्ड्स टू एनएम एंड लकीली आई गॉट एडमिशन। और कॉमर्स की पढ़ाई मैंने की नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ एग्जाम्स दिए। एंड आई स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग इन कॉलेज, सो माय कॉलेज गिव मी अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू सिंग एंड टू एक्ट बोथ। तो
Absolutely. Yeah.
So my professional career started in college when I was in my 11th standard and I did my वो annual day पे हम गाना गाते हैं ना,
हाँ,
annual day. So
correct.
yeah, annual day में जो orchestra आता था,
हाँ,
they asked me if I could sing with them on a regular
okay.
professional
Like a
basis.
group performance.
Yes, no, I know. So cultural orchestra shows like a Navratri or a filmy music orchestra show.
हाँ जी, okay.
तो वो सब मैं करने लगा कॉलेज में ही।
हाँ जी,
सो वो एक बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला जिसमें क्या है, अगर आप नवरात्रि में गाना गाते हो तो वहां लोग सिर्फ डांस करने आए हैं। दे आर
हाँ,
दे एक्सपेक्ट कि हम यहाँ आए हैं पैसा खर्चा करके, तो यहाँ हमको मजा आना चाहिए।
एब्सोल्युटली, ये आपने 100 बात की एक बात बोली है।
तो वो जिम्मेदारी हम पर होती थी कि क्या हम वैसा मजा उनको दे पाते हैं कि नहीं। सो इट वाज,
एंटरटेनर्स।
हाँ, तो वो तालीम, वो अनुभव मिला through those shows and all that.
ऑलराइट, दैट्स नाइस।
And college only gave me after some, when I started singing for 3 4 years I was singing. Then college की intercollegiate drama competitions में I took part. So we had a very
हम्म।
wonderful director who came to our college, Mr. Mahendra Joshi. He is no more. He was married to Amir Khan's elder sister,
ओके ओके।
and he's a fantastic director. He, I mean, he passed away very soon when he was 40, 39, 40. And we lost a very creative and a vibrant and a passionate director. Theater, and he would have done a lot with cinema also. इस समय में अगर वो होते तो पता नहीं क्या क्या और आनंद होता।
मैंने देखा था आपका, लाइक आई सॉ योर वेबसाइट एंड आई थिंक यू हैव वर्कड अ लॉट विद हिम, राइट?
ये नो, हाँ, शुरुआत में हमने काफी काम किया। Then he passed away. Then me and Makaran Deshpande,
मकरंद
he
देशपांडे।
we yeah, so he created a group called Ansh, and Makaran used to write and direct, and we used to act and do everything. So basically,
हम्म।
वो जो एक group बना ना, so Prithvi
हाँ।
Theatre, I must say, in Bombay has been the mecca for us. It's been our institution as actors.
यस, एज थिएटर आर्टिस्ट आल्सो।
Yes, so I got the opportunity to really go and perform there, to experiment in different ways. पृथ्वी का मजा जो है कि 200 लोग बैठते हैं, इट्स लाइक यू आर परफॉर्मिंग इतने एक नजदीक बैठ के, सो यू नो, यू गेट अ रिस्पॉन्स इमीडिएटली and they can see you upfront like this. So if you, as an actor, if you are 2 मिनट के लिए भी आपका attention अगर चला जाता है, it is noticed. So
Yes, absolutely.
तो वो ना किसी भी परफॉर्मर के लिए इतना इंटीमेट और एकाग्र होने वाला एक्सपीरियंस है वो, तो वो तालीम वो वहीं पर मिलती है, पृथ्वी थिएटर से हमें मिली. सो
Theatre से.
he kept doing so if I was not acting in his play, if I didn't have a character there, I used to do music for it.
Yes,
So
correct.
I used to create the background score for them. तो पृथ्वी थिएटर में तो वहाँ सारे लोग थे, के मेनन थे, फिर विजय मौर्य जिन्होंने अभी ये फिल्म लिखी, दिल्ली दिल्ली बैली, दिल्ली बैली नहीं, क्या
Delhi
बोल रहा हूँ
Belly.
मैं, नहीं, गली बॉय, सॉरी, गली बॉय अभी रिसेंटली
Oh,
जिनको
okay,
अवार्ड भी.
okay, okay.
फिर टेडी मौर्य थे, वो भी इज अ वेरी बिग आर्ट डायरेक्टर टुडे. सो ईच वन वाज अ जूल देयर, सारा जो ग्रुप था.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So it's like, when there are 7, 8 very good musicians on stage or great dancers on stage, तो एक दूसरे की जो सिनर्जी मिलती है और जो केमिस्ट्री बनती है, उससे जो परफॉर्मेंस बनता है,
Vibe,
उसका,
the vibe.
हाँ, तो उसका मजा ही अलग होता है. सो वी गॉट टू इंटरेक्ट विद सच वंडरफुल टैलेंट्स एंड गुड एनर्जी, पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, जो सब कुछ करना
Positive.
चाहते थे. वो उम्र ऐसी थी कि यू वांटेड टू, और तभी टीवी हैड जस्ट कम इन.
Correct, right.
टीवी
Well, I
जस्ट,
don't know because maybe, in terms of, like TV and all, like initially, just say we used to all see Doordarshan and, that was something, those were that was the genre of acting and theater. So, coming to theater, Midji, uh, like my mom has been a part of Prithvi Theatre. I don't know whether I told you ever. So she was an
हाँ,
actress herself. Uh, so I still remember I was born very early, at a very early age, at the age of 18 or 19. So post that, I used to go there with her when I started growing because she used to work with Shushmita ji, with Nasruddin Shah ji, obviously.
oh,
But that did not go till very long time. But one thing I realized is when you're a theater artist, you are there's a finesse in you.
hmm,
Like how, as a classical dancer, I said we get finesse when we do classical dancing or singing. Same way,
yes,
as a person, and because my background is also to do with dance, acting, and all that, I feel that finesse is there. Then you can
yes,
give any type of performance.
yes. थिएटर क्या है कि थिएटर इज एन एक्टर्स मीडियम. Once the
Hmm.
actor is on stage, then no director can do anything. You're up there, it's you and the audience.
Yes.
So it's an actor's medium. तो अगर कोई भी एक्टर अगर बनना चाहता है, वो थिएटर अगर करता है, उससे बहुत कुछ बेस बन जाता है.
Yes.
You make
Correct.
it.
Base.
And see, in cinema or in television, आपको कभी आपका कभी चेहरा दिख रहा है, कभी आपका इतना दिखा रहे हैं,
Convenience के हिसाब से.
no, and as it is required in the scene. यहाँ पर
हाँ.
you're constantly seen full shot all the time. You're moving, your
At
body
one go.
energy is there.
हाँ.
Yes.
Correct.
So that's what we used to enjoy in theater. आज भी सबसे सबसे ज्यादा मजा परफॉर्म करने का थिएटर में ही आता है, because of
Hmm.
the immediate response that you get.
I
कि
was just
आपने,
gonna ask you that question. Okay, like you want to be a screen actor, or you would prefer being a theater artist?
see, I enjoy acting as a craft. I really enjoy acting as much as I enjoy music. I enjoy the performance, the craft of acting. Uh, all these three mediums, na, cinema ले लो आप, television ले लो या theater ले लो, all three are very different. So as an actor, always a challenge कि आप, how you mold yourself into all three mediums. क्योंकि वहां पर हर मीडियम में ना परफॉर्मेंस की पिचिंग, परफॉर्मेंस की रिदम सब अलग है.
Hmm.
You know that when you come on stage, you perform as per the stage requires.
हाँ.
When you come सिनेमा पे क्या है, 70 mm पे इतना बड़ा चेहरा नजर आता है,
हाँ.
इतना बड़ा चेहरा नजर आता है. So you don't need to do too much. छोटी
Yes,
छोटी चीज
correct.
can be seen, because the audience is focusing on the big face there.
Huh.
So it's a different way to act there. So I enjoy
Correct,
cinema
correct.
also a lot, but theater, as I told you, theater is an actor's medium, and
Huh.
when you come on stage and when you're doing a play, you're living the story as it is moving in theater.
Hmm.
So as a character, when the actor is playing the character, you're living the part in the story. So you
Correct,
are
correct.
living it, and you're making the audience also live that. और तभी का तभी सिनेमा या टेलीविजन में क्या होता है कि आज ये सीन किया, फिर कल वो सीन किया, फिर वो पहले वाला सीन किया, फिर वो किया, उसके बाद में जोड़ के हम एक साथ देखते हैं। तो एक
Hmm.
एक्टर को अनुभव नहीं होता, एक्टर को एक सीन करने का अनुभव होता है सिर्फ, कि आज मैंने ये सीन किया और खाली इमेजिन किया कि लास्ट सीन में मैं ऐसा ऐसा मेरा मूड था, ऐसा ऐसा मैं फील कर रहा था, अभी वो मूड लेके ये सीन में मुझे आना है और मुझे सीन करना है। So it's again a difficult thing because you have to imagine, because you've not performed that scene maybe.
Absolutely.
So you not perform
So,
that scene,
yes, correct.
and you have to visualize and imagine your emotion. What on what note did you leave as a character in that scene? And after that, this scene you are coming into. तो वो mood लेकर
Mm-hmm.
आना है इसमें. So these are very soft and delicate weaving things that as
Minute
an actor,
things that we have to take care of.
yeah.
Correct. So, Amitji, tell me one thing. As you discussed that your father is a lawyer, and I know him personally, he's like the most intelligent man that I've met as a lawyer. So, was it okay for you, okay for them that you join in as an actor? Because you have a brother also, am I right?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
So, was it okay for them?
I did my law. In fact, I have done my 2 years of law. I went to college,
Oh,
and I went to my dad's office also for 6 months. Just,
okay.
just to, just. I mean, there was no
Get the
pressure
feel.
from them. Get the feel of how would it be if I was a lawyer. So I used to
Ah,
go to
okay.
high court. I used to go to high court and
Hmm.
sit with our counsels and see how they are performing in high court. So I was trying to look at that life, and I was like, I'm not going to live this life. ये
हाँ
मुझे
हाँ
नहीं चाहिए. And when I told
करेक्ट
my dad that "Okay, it's okay, just do what you feel like, doesn't matter." And by
हाँ
that time, I was already singing, but I was not professionally acting till then. I was singing professionally.
ओके
So it was a big thing for me to just take the plunge. हाँ, तभी मैंने सोच लिया था कि मैं
यस
एक्टिंग
वेरी
करूँ.
बिग
Singing was always there with me. I
हाँ
was making money through singing because I was doing Navratri shows, and I've done about 12, 13 years of Navratris.
wow so your
But
experience in Navratri singing will be like way beyond anything right
yeah, it's like I've with so many different groups I've sung for Navratris. With Falguni Pathak, I was there for 2 years. With
हाँ
Adesh, I had sung for with Adesh. Then there was this old group which was there for a long time. I was with them. Was called Beat 16. Then I'd taken my
oh
own group
okay
to America. I had
हाँ
taken my own group to America in '99. So we had performed all
हाँ
over America. We did Navratri. We did uh, festival shows. So many shows we did. Then 2001 with Sunidhi, I did one Navratri, and that was my last
oh
Navratri.
that is
That
something I'm getting to know right now like we have met but we never spoke so much in detail so I'm so
yeah,
glad that I'm doing this because I'm
yeah,
getting to know about you more
yeah, yeah,
that's really
yeah.
nice. So coming to that, how many years have you been into the career of acting? Like just the acting when you took it up?
I would say since 1992, 93, 93,
Okay, so that's almost 25, no,
20
almost
years,
20,
20
20
years.
years. Wow. So that's also like a lot.
Yeah, so in that, I was see when television happened, I was not in never in a hurry. I was always very picky in doing the kind of work that I was doing. So I was
Huh.
doing theater mostly. Mostly I was doing theater at Prithvi, and that does not pay. Okay,
Okay, that I have never spoken and I don't know about.
does not pay. So it's like you're just doing it to improve yourself, but you're investing so much time there. So
Hmm.
at that time, singing here and there a little bit, and then I did a series called Wo on ZTV.
ZTV, of course I remember.
Yeah, so that series Wo, that was my first series, I can say. So
Hmm.
TV page, I didn't take up long shows. I've done so much television in different genres. I've done love stories on television. I've done thriller at 10 on television. I've hosted shows. I've done a travel show host. Uh, uh, लंबे लंबे shows तो मैंने थोड़े बहुत किए. Like I
Huh.
did Shubh Mangal Savdhan, which was on Sahara,
Yes.
which was really
Sahara
loved,
TV.
which was really loved by the audience. They still remember Shubh Mangal Savdhan and the
Hmm.
character I was playing. After that, Bhagwan Bachaye Inko. Then another series on Sony that we were doing, which is now Tarak Mehta. Same
Oh,
producers,
okay. Okay.
Asit Modi.
Huh.
And the series was called Ye Duniya Hai Rangeen.
Okay.
It, it was, I think, in 99, I think.
Okay.
99 to के आसपास. So that we did 52 episodes. वही story थी तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा. That was the society world that we had created. It was a lot of fun. Dilip Joshi was in it. He was playing one character. So, and Gujarati commercial plays also I've done a few. Gujarati commercial plays pay you a little. So if that show is running, you are paid. Okay.
Okay, great. That's great to hear, in fact. And I always feel that regional is a very nice and a different, genre of acting and serials. Like all the
Yeah.
regional, whether it's Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi.
Yeah, and I also feel responsible as a being a Gujarati serving the language. No?
Absolutely. I was just going to ask you, like, you're a Gujarati, so is that a reason that you chose to go in Gujarati industry also?
Yeah, so it also gave me an opportunity to learn the language because in convent school we didn't learn to write and read Gujarati. So doing Gujarati plays was my uh, beginning to learn Gujarati because I could not read Gujarati properly. So I used to write in Hindi and then read in Gujarati and read that. Then I learned to read Gujarati.
So much hard
So
work. So much hard
yeah,
work.
so it was fun, and I also understood how rich the language is, how
Hmm.
how wonderful, what wonderful poetry there is in the language.
Yes,
क्योंकि
correct.
so as the moment you start singing or acting, you come closer to languages. भाषा
Absolutely, absolutely.
भाषा आपको पसंद आने लगती है. शब्द आपको अच्छे लगने लगते हैं. कविताएं अच्छी लगने लगती है. कविताओं का आपके भाव अच्छे लगने लगते हैं.
Hmm.
uh, तो वो सारा आनंद आया. It was a whole Pandora of magic that opened up for me. So many wonderful toys. ये यहाँ पर संगीत का टॉय है खेलने के लिए. यहाँ पर ये कैरेक्टर में ये इमोशन प्ले करना है. ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट इमोशन प्ले करने हैं. ये इतने सारे टॉयज है खेलने के लिए. फिर ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट में ऐसे ऐसे बजता है. वाह वाह व्हाट अ वंडरफुल टॉय. फिर ये
So more
कहानी मिली.
exciting, exciting.
So it's always for it's important. I mean, I've always functioned like that. Whenever I approach any project or anything, you have to be like a child in a toy shop. If you don't have that inquisitiveness towards the story, towards the character, how will it be fun? And if it's not
Correct.
fun for
Sure.
you, it won't be fun for the audience.
Ha 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 ha.
So when you become like a child and when you look at it and get that simplicity in whatever kind of performance that you're doing, तो उसमें मुझे मजा आता. That's how I approach it.
Okay, Amitji, would you mind taking some question from the audience? Because so there are some things people have written. One of my friend called Anupama Narula, whose husband's name is Dr. Anup Sharma. He knows you from your college days.
Anupama
So he's
Narula, yeah,
just
I remember the name.
Anupama Narula, yes, Poonam Narula's sister.
Yes.
Yes. So unke jo husband hai, she's written hi to Amit, know him since NM college days. Oh yeah, she
Yes.
knows you. That's what she's written.
Yeah. I know her. Yes. Hi
Yes.
there. How
So
are you?
she's very happy, and I have taken their kids interview also, Anup's and Anupama's, because they were the Red Zone Warriors kids who were helping the people to go give sanitizers and masks. So she's
Okay,
told
can
you
you
hi. Hanji?
tell- also tell me who all have joined us, from where they've joined?
See, there are many of them from Qatar. There are some questions that coming in. Are you okay to take some questions if some
Sure,
people are
sure, sure.
asking you? Okay, there
Sure,
is
sure.
somebody from Qatar asking, what is your favorite role uh, in movie or in theater? Like she's asked you that.
थिएटर में आई डिड अ प्ले कॉल्ड इक्वस इक्वस करके एक अंग्रेजी नाटक है, उसका गुजराती में हमने परफॉर्म किया था. इक्वस इज आल्सो परफॉर्म्ड ऑन ब्रॉडवे. बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट पार्ट है वो. पार्ट ऑफ दिस 17-18 year old boy. If you read up on Google, you will know how complicated the play is. It's about a patient and a psychologist. So
Okay.
I was a patient who was mentally ill, and who's being treated by this psychologist, and that psychologist was played by Ratna Patak Shah.
Oh wow, she's a great actress as well.
Yeah, superb, superb. So I think that was my most difficult thing that I've done on stage, and most enjoyable. Yeah.
That's nice. And
Oh,
Amitji, what about this question is from me. What about your screen role? Like, what about the movie role that you like?
movie roles. I enjoyed doing 99 a lot.
Okay.
I also enjoyed Shore in the City. I enjoyed Yamla Pagla Divana. Uh, I enjoyed Gentleman, but उसमें रहा नहीं ज़्यादा. Yeah, so whatever screen work
I
I have
think
done,
मेरा और सागर का फेवरेट है 1:40 की लास्ट लोग. Like
yeah, I
we
enjoyed that.
we are like fan of yours and we can see you, and then when you die, that is very sad. We are like, okay, अभी नहीं देखना है. अमित चला गया, अभी नहीं देखना है. You know, sometimes you know people and you actually, I was not very aware about the fact about it. I used to just watch the movie because I didn't know you till then. Then Sagar is like, you know this man? How come you know this man? I said, this man, which man? Then he's like, अरे तूने उसको देखा? मैं बोला हाँ देखा है, but मुझे नहीं पता यही है क्या. So it was really funny. And then I said, don't worry, I'm going to teach him dance and we'll go and take his autograph. That was a really
Yeah,
good time had
yeah,
together.
it was fun to do a dance class with you. It was so much fun.
Thank you, thank you. It was really good fun. I mean, that was because of somebody like Dhwani we met, and then she was your, she used to sing like with you, and then she made me introduce to you. It was a nice experience. So singing,
Yeah.
dancing, acting is really nice. Okay,
Yes.
Amit ji, so आपको अनुपमा जी बोल रहे हैं कि you must sing for us, be it 2 lines. So would you like to sing for us?
Sure. ऐसे जो भी गाना याद आ रहा है मैं गा रहा हूँ. ओके.
हाँ जी, no problem.
मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना. एक राह रुक गई तो और जुड़ गई, मैं मुड़ा तो साथ साथ राह मुड़ गई, हवा के परों पर मेरा आशियाना मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना।
अनुपमा is like awesome. Amit, love the spirit. Like आप जाके आपका जो भी comments है वो देख सकते हैं बाद में, like after the live session. And Anupama is so happy. I'm sure she's gonna again. We are gonna chat it up later on. That we all are connected to each other. Okay, actually there are so many people out there who want to know what are the struggles to become an actor, because everybody, some people feel, oh, acting mein jayenge to itna paisa hai, hum rich ho jayenge. But it has its own struggle, as of obviously I know in terms of background of my family. But I want you, like, to tell people what are the pros and cons, you can say, and what are the myths.
अभी YouTube पे इतना आ रहा है सुशांत की वजह से, नहीं देख रहे हैं सब लोग?
नहीं देख रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी अगर आप बोलोगे तो लोगों को विश्वास होगा, बिकॉज मीडिया पे सबको विश्वास नहीं करना है, लाइक ऑल द टाइम. सो वी डोंट नो लाइक वेदर टू बिलीव और नो.
I feel the film industry or the theatre industry is the best industry. बहुत प्यारी इंडस्ट्री है ये. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल स्पॉट बॉयज जो सबसे छोटा ओहदा है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का, छोटा ओहदा यानी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता, बट स्पॉट बॉय है, उसे भी दिन के 700-800 हजार रुपए मिल जाते हैं. व्हाट डज ही हैव टू डू? ही हैज टू टेक केयर ऑफ द यूनिट. चाय देनी है, देखना है क्या कैसे खाने देखना है, द एक्टर्स ऑल राइट, उनको कुछ चाहिए, कुर्सी चाहिए, ये देखना है. कोई इंडस्ट्री, अगर आप कोई भारत में अगर कोई दिन भर पत्थर तोड़ता है तो उसे आई थिंक 100 रुपए मिलते हैं.
करेक्ट.
दिन भर तोड़ने के. सो कौन सी इंडस्ट्री है जहां पर इस तरीके का पे स्केल है? फॉर एक्टर्स इट्स नॉट, आई मीन फॉर एक्टर्स इट्स अ बिग स्ट्रगल, बिकॉज there are a lot of processes of auditions, huge audition processes. आप देते जाओ ऑडिशन, देते जाओ and nothing is coming up. Suddenly some small thing will come up. Then you did that and then for a long time nothing will come up. So many of my years in the beginning, as I told you, I was singing. So and मेरी ज़रूरतें मैंने कभी भी ज़्यादा बढ़ाई नहीं थी. I was always tight with my money spendings and stuff like that. So I was doing theatre. तभी सीखने का समय था, तो theatre I was learning. टेलीविजन में तभी इतना पैसा नहीं था. बट मतलब आज काम किया तो जरूरी नहीं है इमीडिएटली यू विल गेट अनदर प्रोजेक्ट. वन प्रोजेक्ट इज ओवर एंड यू विल इमीडिएटली गेट अनदर प्रोजेक्ट, ऐसा कुछ गारंटी नहीं है. बट दिस इज द नेचर ऑफ दिस प्रोफेशन. यहाँ पर अगर आपको एक्टर बनना है, आपको सिंगर बन के जीना है, तो यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी.
Yeah, that is what, yeah.
And I love what I do. So my love is my job. ऐसा तो कितने सारे वकीलों को मैं जानता हूँ, डॉक्टर्स को जानता हूँ, जिनका फर्स्ट लव म्यूजिक है या एक्टिंग है, but they could not pursue it.
Passionately.
पैशन है कि बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, कोई ये बन गया है, कोई वो बन गया है, और इसे थोड़ा थोड़ा वो कर रहा है साइड में. और but it's a tough one to well, right now we can say because of so many platforms opened up, television है, regional cinema है, OTT platforms है, YouTube है, तो अभी I think the arena has opened up very much.
Very much, absolutely.
So cinema was also a struggle. Cinema for me, how it has worked is, लोग मेरा नाटक देखने आते थे, वहां से मुझे बुलाते थे और फिर वहीं से काम होता था या तो नहीं होता.
So theatre has really worked for you.
That has really worked. That has worked for me, and certain performances like 140 की Last Local, when that film gave me that role that I did, gave me a lot of other roles. Like 99 was because of that film.
Film,
I got
yes.
because the directors saw that film and they wanted me, only me, for 99. If you guys have
Very
not seen
nice.
99, must see, watch that film. It's a good film by Raj and DK. It was their first film. Raj and DK, they made Shore in the City, Gentleman, Go Goa Gone, and Family Man,
Oh,
the series that
nice.
they
Oh,
made.
okay. That's like a really amazing series on Netflix. Yeah, The Family Man.
वो उन्हीं डायरेक्टर्स
Hmm.
की ये पहली फिल्म है 99. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट रिलीज ड्यूरिंग द प्रोड्यूसर्स स्ट्राइक. So
Oh, okay.
too many eyeballs, too many theater audience it did not get, but it was viewed a lot on DVDs.
DVDs. Yeah, obviously we used to use the CDs and all that. Yes.
बहुत देखे और देखी लोगों
So Amit ji, मुझे आपसे ये पूछना था कि आप सबसे ज्यादा like how long have you stood in a line for auditioning? Because I know that the line is endless.
ने. मैं एक्चुअली इफ आई एम टेलिंग आई टेल यू द ट्रूथ, मैं कभी लाइन में नहीं खड़ा रहा. मैं लाइन अगर
Okay.
होती थी तो मैं घर चला जाता.
You had a lot of options, that's why.
नहीं, मैं भूखा, मैं नहीं करूँगा काम.
हाँ,
मैं ऐसा करके चला जाता था. फिर कभी कभी थोड़ा बहुत रुकता था जहाँ
हाँ,
पे 7-8 लोग हैं तो वहाँ रुकता था, बट मोस्टली शुरुआत में ना ऑडिशंस का वाज अ लिटिल लिटिल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड आल्सो. कभी वो लोग कहते थे कि इस समय पे आ जाओ, देन आई शुड टेल मुझे समय पे आप बुलाओ जहाँ पे वेयर आई
हाँ,
कैन.
got it, yeah. Time देके आ जाओ, like that.
हाँ, सो या ऐसा.
So what do you think? अभी competition ज्यादा है या हमारे like आपके या हमारे time में you can say competition ज्यादा था because I think now it's like endless. Like I have seen famous actresses standing in the 20th number for audition. Like famous, मतलब उनका चेहरा देखते ही people will be like autograph दो. So what do you think? Like you have to go through that or it's like nothing to do with fame?
It's because television has was on so much of a boom. इतने सारे लोग आए हैं मुंबई एक्टर बनने के लिए.
Hmm.
एंड टेलीविजन में क्या है, द प्रोड्यूसर्स नीडेड सस्ता पीपल हु विल नॉट आस्क टू मच मनी, सो दे वर कास्ट. उनको भी क्या है कि काम चाहिए. दे आल्सो गेट टू लर्न द कैमरा, क्योंकि एक्टिंग एक्टिंग सीख के आए तो है नहीं.
Correct.
थोड़ा चेहरा अच्छा है ऐसा फील हुआ, किसी 4 दोस्तों ने बोला कि एक्टर बनना चाहिए तो वहां से आ गया. पर यहाँ आके
Hmm.
कितने लोग चले भी जाते हैं, बट देन someone who has really come and wants to learn and do it, उनके लिए it was a great platform because it became a paid camera rehearsal. Television was a paid camera rehearsal for them. रोज
Absolutely, yes.
कैमरा है आपके सामने, आप कैमरा पे परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, आप सीख भी रहे हो,
Hmm.
एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स नीडेड पीपल हु विल नॉट आस्क मनी.
Yes,
सो
everybody needs such people actually.
हाँ, तो वो इतने
Hmm.
सारे लोग आए हैं अभी. सो यस, कंपटीशन इज अ लॉट. और हर स्तर के एक्टर्स हैं ना जो किसी स्तर पे पहुंचे हैं,
Hmm.
पे उनके तरह का कंपटीशन. उसके नीचे के स्तर के जहां पहुंचे वहां पर उनके तरह का कंपटीशन.
Okay.
एंड
So
एंट्री
every
पॉइंट.
level has a competition. Every
यस,
level
एंड
has a competition.
या एंड एंट्री पॉइंट इज द टफेस्ट प्लेस टू गेट वन
True.
entry into anything.
And then there is something called casting agents and coordinators. जो मतलब
Yes.
probably they take the money, but maybe your name is not even in the audition list. I feel. I mean, I don't know because it's a very funny thing. Everybody might not know it. So after I had left dancing for some reason for about 4 months, not more. तो वो टाइम पे जैसे मेरा लिगामेंट टेयर हो गया था तो मॉम ने बोला व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई समथिंग एल्स एंड मॉम न्यू कोऑर्डिनेटर्स एंड ऑल शी लाइक एक्टिंग कर एंड देन आई डिडंट हैव टू रियली गिव ऑडिशंस. So this is a very funny thing. I don't know, Amit ji, when no, I did जर्नलिस्ट का रोल इन अदालत, वो जो रौनक रॉय का सीरियल था.
अच्छा.
सो इट्स फनी बट जैसे 30 सेकेंड्स ऐसे था. सो मैं वेट कर रही थी वो 5 6 7 8 बोलेगा और वो बोला था 1 2 3 1 2 3 और मेरे मन में वो 5 6 7 8 मॉम्स लाइक उधर खड़ी मॉम्स लाइक ऐसे आंख दिखा रही है. मॉम क्यों आंख दिखा रही है. वो एक किया और उसके बाद महाराणा प्रताप किया था 4 लाइन्स। मैं सुबह से पूरा डायलॉग्स याद किया। इट वाज इन मारवाड़ी। और जब मैं वो एक्ट्रेस के सामने, अक्षा कोराडिया थी शायद, उसके सामने आई, मैं सारा स्क्रिप्ट लाइन सब भूल गई। फिर उसके बाद मैंने मम्मी को बोला, दिस इज नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी, प्लीज लेट मी डू व्हाट आई लाइक, आई डोंट वांट टू डू दिस, मेरा पैर टूट हो जाएगा, आई विल गो बैक टू डांसिंग। So how, I mean, it is so difficult. So how do you remember the lines, and do you like क्या आप सिर्फ समझ के बोल देते हो या सेम बोलना पड़ता है? Like, I wanted to know that.
Now you're asking me the tricks of the trade. ये तो मेहनत वाला काम है।
मैं
नहीं
एक्ट्रेस नहीं
मतलब
बनूंगी, डोंट वरी।
नहीं, आई मीन ऑडियंस को इसमें क्या मजा क्या आ सकता है इसमें? इट्स लाइक गाना हम सीखते हैं तो गाने की
हाँ,
मेमोरी कैसे याद रहती है? देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ लेयर्स ऑन हाउ टू रिमेम्बर। यू
remember
विजुअलाइज,
the, okay,
मोस्टली
yes,
you visualize, then you also understand the emotions, you also understand the meaning and what you're trying to say,
say,
क्या
हाँ,
कहना चाह रहा है किरदार। You make your own lines and then you so see, acting as a craft is about communicating
hmm,
a story, an emotion, a moment, and the subtext. ये
hmm,
कह रहा है कुछ और फील कुछ और कर रहा है। हम इन सिनेमा व्हेन वी मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ नहीं बोलता है कोई। मैं
हाँ,
मैं खुश हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ। नाउ यू नो कि वो खुश नहीं लेकिन कह रहा है कि मैं खुश हूँ, राइट? सो
yes, correct,
सो एक्टर्स जॉब इज टू कम्युनिकेट द सब टेक्स्ट।
हाँ,
जैसे सब टेक्स्ट हमें मिल जाती है एंड ये फील मिलता है कि इस सीन का ये फील है और इस तरीके का कम्युनिकेशन है, तो फिर मेमोराइज करना आसान हो जाता
correct.
है। इट
That's
बिकम
nice.
योर ओन।
It is, yeah, I can relate this to even for dancing. What happens is, uh, as you said, you don't feel sometimes great about it, but then if you have to smile on the stage, because एक बार गाना start हुआ, you have no stopping. You are just smiling and you're going like, then you cry or you do anything backstage, it is your lookout. Am I right? I mean, it is to do something like that. But of
या
course, remembering, but it's like grass is greener on the other side always. Everybody feels dancing is happiness. I will feel acting is happiness. But when you actually step into the shoes, you feel nothing is easy. It's
बट
like that.
it's a great joy to navigate through emotions,
Ah,
through the story, through all of that as a character, because you are not becoming that person. You're just finding elements of that person within you.
true,
You
true.
you you're finding ये कैरेक्टर के एलिमेंट्स मुझ में कौन से हैं या मैं कैसे उसको धारण करूं to perform.
Absolutely.
So to
Absolutely.
navigate it with that is a lot of joy.
That's nice. Also, there are some people who have really are giving comments like great comic timing. There's one of my friend called Vikrant. He's from Bombay. He's saying great comic timing, sir.
Thank
So
you, thank you,
coming
Vikram.
to
Thank you.
his, yeah, and then people are like, "Wow, you're awesome, sir," and all that. They're really happy with you, and they love the way you sang right now. And somebody's written, "Oh, Anupama is like, Anupama is loving the fact that you're here," and she's like, "Multi-talented Amit," like that. She's told. And she's
Of,
like, she's writing about the things like how we used to go to picnics and how you used to sing for all of us all the time.
yeah.
So,
What
so the
fun.
job of entertainer is like the best thing, right, Amitji?
Yeah, I enjoy it. It's sometimes it's taxing when you constantly have to be in the mood. See, क्या होता है real life में sometimes you are not in the zone of performing, right? So
Yes,
that
correct.
that becomes the challenge. So
Absolutely, absolutely.
when you are able to quickly step into that shoes
Hmm.
and become that takes that takes a lot of time to make it easy to come to.
Hmm.
It's difficult. फिर एक बार when you have a lot of experience of performance, then it's a joy. It's a getaway for you. It is also processing.
Correct.
It processes emotions for you. Through music or through acting or through dance, one processes emotions. जो थोड़े फंसे हुए हैं
Absolutely right.
वो प्रोसेस हो जाते हैं,
हाँ जी,
हल्के हो
correct,
जाते
correct.
हैं। या सो वो मजा वो है। कोई भी कला लर्न करने का मजा ये है। इट टेक्स यू डीपर, इट ब्रिंग्स साइलेंस विद इन यू, इट हेल्प्स, इट गिव्स यू पर्सपेक्टिव। एक ही चीज को आप 10 तरीके से देखने की नजर आप पाते हो। आप सूक्ष्मता से देखने की आप में क्षमता बढ़ती है। Your all 5 senses become sharper and subtle. They can start recognizing and feeling subtle smells, subtle visuals, subtle sounds, the small sounds which people would not put their attention on into.
Correct.
आप अनायास वो सब सुनाई देता है, आपको दिखाई देता है। So it's also taxing then. What happens is, because इतना सब नजर आता है तो आपको तकलीफ भी होगी ना उतनी। so इतना सारा मटेरियल आ जाता है, so then you need to know how to process it, how to look into different perspectives and find
At the same
elements
time, at the same time.
and find elements from it and put it into your craft or whatever you're doing.
Coming to this, as you said, I know that you're a very spiritual person, and we are. So, does spiritualism help you get through a lot of difficult times?
Absolutely.
Like prayers in general.
प्रेयर्स क्या है, स्पिरिचुअलिटी को ना हम करेक्ट तरीके से क्या है, दिस वर्ड हैज बीन आउट एंड पीपल रियली डोंट अलग अलग बातें करते हैं। फॉर मी स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज अबाउट understanding that we are spirit. It is understanding that we are spirits and this is my body. I am a being of light and this is my body, this is my mind, it's my intellect. I am the Raja, I am the owner. ये मेरे मंत्री है, मेरा मन, मेरी बुद्धि, my 5 senses, my body, ये it's my instrument. So हम भारत में रहते हैं और भारत वो देश है जहाँ भगवत गीता ने जन्म लिया है।
Absolutely.
और भगवत गीता हमें ये सिखाती है कि I am a being and this is my body. अब now we've got this information हमें मिल गई है, पर ये क्या ये हमारे अनुभव में आया है? Are we spending time with ourselves, with our true self, which is of the spirit? What is the quality of this being? ये अगर मैं being हूँ तो मैं क्या हूँ? So it says that Bhagavad Gita says that I am a being of light और मेरे 7 गुण हैं, मैं सतो गुणी हूँ। पवित्रता, प्रेम, शांति, खुशी, आनंद, शक्ति, ये मेरी ओरिजिनल क्वालिटीज है। This is who I am. So I am a being of peace. I am love. मुझे पीस चाहिए। अगर हम किसी को भी पूछते हैं आज के आपको क्या चाहिए जीवन में, तो जनरली क्या आंसर होगा? हमको खुशी चाहिए, हमको शांति चाहिए, हमको खुशी चाहिए, हमको शांति। दिस इज अ स्टैंडर्ड आंसर एनीवन विल गिव।
Anyone will. We want peace and we want to be happy.
Yeah, so now यहाँ पर हम क्या vocabulary use करते हैं? I want peace.
We have to say I am happy, I am peaceful.
क्योंकि this is who I am. The original spirit ये है, और ये हम भूल गए। तो ये जो
Yes.
भूल गए हैं उसी को हमें वी हैव टू गेट इनटू आवर एक्सपीरियंस एंड दैट इज मेडिटेशन.
Mm.
मेडिटेशन इज meditating on this quality of who I am. I am a
Correct.
being
Right.
light और मेरा निवास स्थान है भृकुटी के मध्य में between the pineal gland, pituitary and the pineal gland. That's where I sit and control. So this is a computer and I'm the brain is my क्या कहते हैं CPU and I am the
Center,
controller.
like the center, a controller.
Your brain is your CPU and I am the operator,
Correct, correct.
right? So
Absolutely right. Yes.
when we see ourselves in our original qualities, so वो qualities जो मैं ही हूँ starts emerging slowly.
And
And
then it balances you as a person in the environment and everything.
also present पे रहना सिखाता है. अब क्या है mostly if we साइंस ने EEG मशीन से ये पता लगाया कि how many thoughts one makes in a minute. We make around about 30 thoughts a minute, 25 to 30 thoughts a minute.
Hmm.
Okay. If we are stressed, if we are making about 40 thoughts a minute. Now, can you imagine your mind is making, you are creating so many thoughts. हम कहते हैं
Yes.
हमको विचार आता नहीं है, हम बनाते हैं,
Okay.
right? हमें फील ऐसा होता है कि आ रहे हैं. But see, 25-30 thoughts you're making in a minute, and if you see the quality of the thoughts, mostly, if you observe, they will be thoughts of the past,
Hmm.
of the future. पास्ट में अरे वो मुझे वैसा करना नहीं चाहिए था, वो उस टाइम पे वैसा कर लिया होता तो क्या होता था, इस टाइम पे ऑल दैट कमेंट्री गोज ऑन. देन ऑफ द फ्यूचर वो नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, फिर मुझे वो वहां पर वहां से वहां जाके वो नहीं होगा तो फिर वो नहीं चलेगा. फ्यूचर का चलता रहता है. वी आर नॉट इन द प्रेजेंट. ओके,
We should go with the flow.
और नहीं, ये दो जगह पे हमारा मन रहता है. और
Okay.
ये दोनों वेस्ट है क्योंकि पास्ट बीत चुका है, उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम.
Hmm.
फ्यूचर अभी अब आने
Correct.
वाला मालूम नहीं है. फ्यूचर अभी हम जैसा रहेंगे वैसा फ्यूचर बनेगा. व्हाट वी थिंक
Correct.
इज व्हाट वी बिकम. व्हाट वी थिंक
What we
इज व्हाट वी.
what we manifest, like that.
या एंड सो देयर आर नेसेसरी थॉट्स कि आज मुझे ये करना है, मुझे आज मुझे वो करना है, व्हिच आर फाइन. आज
Correct.
मुझे यहाँ जाना वहां जाना है, व्हिच इज फाइन. यू नीड टू डील विद दैट. एलिवेटेड थॉट्स नहीं, जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट.
Correct.
Empowering thoughts of gratitude, thoughts of love, thoughts of thank you, thoughts of खुद को शाबाशी देना.
Gratefulness.
हाँ, वो सब नहीं है.
Feeling proud of about our own selves, and
Yes.
yeah, like we did it.
Yes, appreciation,
Hmm.
thanking for everything that we have. So all
Yes,
this,
correct.
when we start observing thoughts, when we हम मालिक बन के जब हमारे विचारों को ऑब्जर्व करने लगते हैं, तो हमें पता चलता है what quality of thinking this is. And is it helpful for me? If we ask that question to ourselves without controlling those thoughts, just observe them, sit, and when we observe our thoughts, जरा 2 मिनट में देखता हूँ मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ, और बाद में you only decide कि कितना काम का था इसमें.
That's a very funny thing, but yeah, I understand. Okay, so coming to, yeah, somebody from Qatar has told, hi Amit ji, how the web series is going to change the entertainment industry in India and viewers' taste.
While OTT platforms, I think it's a great thing that has happened, because the kind of quality that you are able to produce over there because of the budgets,
Really nice. Really nice.
because of the budgets, and censorship nahi hai. You can make what you feel like making.
What do you feel? Yes.
So I think it's a great thing that has happened. And the series that I'm doing now, Bandish Bandits, which is going to
Yeah,
come
I'm just, yeah.
on 4th of August, उसमें it's a new thing for the web. क्योंकि web पे generally if you see, the trend is mostly of sex violence,
Hmm.
right? Thrillers,
Hmm.
that kind of shows more.
Yes,
Right?
on series, yeah, web series and all.
Series में क्राइम और सेक्स बिकता है, ज्यादा बिकता है. वायलेंस और सेक्स तुरंत बिकता है.
Hmm.
उसकी बहुत ऑडियंस है, अभी वो उसका उनको कैसे हम चेंज करें पता नहीं, बट दिस शो इज नॉट, दिस शो हैज फैमिली, दिस शो हैज क्लासिकल म्यूजिक, दिस शो
Yeah, I
हैज
see
पॉप,
you with a sitar. I see you with a sitar sitting in the
या
photo.
तानपुरा, या
Huh.
सो सो
Oh,
सो
that's
दैट,
Tanpura, sorry.
so so it has द घरानाज की दुनिया जो है हमारे भारत में, संगीत घराने की दुनिया,
Oh, okay,
संगीत,
nice.
या सो उनमें पैदा हुए बच्चे, उनका, उनकी लाइफ, their struggles, their love, and pop music coming into, तो ये सारा आनंद है उसमें.
The classical and the Western culture of
Yes,
music.
and Shankar Ehsaan Loy has done the music. It's a great score they've done.
Oh, so you must be
And
really happy because that is something to do with music, and you are musical, you are a singer, and you get to act as well. So
yeah,
isn't it amazing?
this show is very special for me because Anand, who's directed the show, also produced. Anand Tiwari, very, very fine director, actor, and also very dear friend. We've done theatre together, and he uh, started his own production company with his friend Amrit. And so it was him directing me for the first time.
Ah,
So
okay.
that was why, that was first, my first joy was that. Secondly, the script, uh, because the whole ambience and the whole drama was weaved around this classical Gharana people, also set up in Havelis and stuff. And
Hmm.
Nitin Shah, I was acting with him for the first time. I know of him. I've acted with Ratnaji, but I first time I got a chance with to act with Nasir ji, and it was so enriching. बहुत मजा आया उनके साथ समय बिताने में. So ये series was, and also the part that I played is a nice, sweet little role in the film, in the series. So बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें मजेदार थी मेरे लिए. So I'm looking
Hmm.
forward
Correct.
for it to come
So
up. Yes.
the Bandish I understand, but what is Bandits? So is it like a Western and the English name? Like I've just flashed it down. Bandish
Yeah, yeah,
Bandit.
yeah. I would say that, and bandits, as in also in the, there is stealing, which is everywhere, and stealing
Hmm.
does not mean just money. You know, stealing can be of emotions. Stealing can be of trust. Stealing can be of
Okay.
stealing can be of kala. Stealing can be of the heart. So so bandits. So here, so you also, music industry में भी we see a lot of stealing, and people say कि we got inspired. अभी inspire होता है तो क्या होता है कि वैसे का वैसा नहीं बना देता है.
Same. हाँ
आपको एक,
मतलब थोड़ा सा.
आपको
हाँ
फ्रेज अच्छा लगा, दैट्स गिविंग अ
हाँ.
ट्रिब्यूट. आपको
Correct.
एक लाइन अच्छी लगी और उस लाइन से आपने आपका एक अपना एक टेक बनाया. दैट्स
Same
गिविंग,
बनाया. Correct.
that is being inspired by someone, and it's great. It should happen like that because I think every artist is connected. We are all connected.
हाँ.
So
Correct.
it's great to acknowledge someone who's done a great performance and give him a tribute by doing something that he did in
And
your
not
own
like
way.
just essay copy paste like essay.
Yeah,
पूरा.
in
पूरा
your
का
own
पूरा.
way. Like for
हाँ.
example, if you see Amitabh Bachchan's performance, you see so many nuances he has taken from Dilip Saab.
Yes.
So many nuances. He's studied Dilip Saab's performance so much in detail that he has taken those qualities and done it in his own way.
Hmm.
उन्होंने अपना एक तरीका बनाया, लेकिन अ, वो 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 फील वहां से ली है. Like
Hmm.
that's how we, when we listen to uh, good singers or good actors, you see certain qualities in their performance which you try to imbibe, and you bring out that same kind of an element through you in your own way.
Correct. Correct.
That's
Right.
learning. That's where learning happens.
So, Amitji, are you still practicing music or like you've given a break or what is it like?
Just a minute.
Please drink water, no problem. So till you drink water, I would like everyone to, if you have any questions to ask Mr. Amit Ji, he's ready to answer you, but it should be quick because after like some time we will end the show. But please, if you have any questions, you can put it forward on the live chat. Amit Ji, please tell me. Do
Yeah,
you
so
still practice music?
lockdown, may I must tell you, music is the thing that saved me because 3 months I told myself that I'm going to do Riyaz for 3 months, and
Hmm. Hmm.
I managed to do it. Every day I was able to switch on my Tanpura and sing. That gave me so much
Awesome.
happiness. I'm so happy.
Peace, peace.
Yes, it
That's
helps
really
in
nice.
it helps in your yoga अभ्यास also.
Huh.
आपका योग अभ्यास संगीत को मदद करता है, संगीत योग अभ्यास को मदद करता है. They both are complementary to each other.
It's like it's compliments, yeah. Like be it dance and yoga or be it music and yoga. Absolutely.
एकाग्रता की क्वालिटी बढ़ती है आप में. Your
Hmm.
ability to focus at one subject or one uh, anything, any task that you are doing at hand, your ability to
Hmm.
focus there and only there. क्योंकि हम कुछ भी कर
Correct.
रहे होते हैं पर हमारा दिमाग यहाँ वहाँ चला जाता है.
Correct. Correct. You're right.
तो और हम यहाँ रह पाए, उसका रियाज हुआ, which was nice.
और मैं ये पूछना चाहती थी, मैं बहुत ईगर थी, मैं पर्सनली बहुत ईगर थी कि अब शूट स्टार्ट हो गए, राइट, इन बॉम्बे.
Yeah.
So you are going for shoots, am I right, or you're not? Like, are you going?
I did one show. I did some episodic work for Sub TV's show called Tenali Rama. So I played the part of Birbal.
Ah,
I
yeah,
played Birbal.
I saw your picture on Instagram. Yeah.
It was fun. It was just for a few episodes. So about 3 weeks. So it's airing right now on Sub TV. So I shot for about 10-12 days
During
during the
this
lockdown.
time, like just when it
Yeah,
started?
yeah,
Oh,
right now. So
okay.
in the uh, last 2 weeks, 1 week ago, I was shooting.
So what is when you go during such times? Is there any insecurity, Amit ji? Like you go, like आपको डर लगता है कि मेकअप आर्टिस्ट आके हमको मेकअप कर रहे हैं, या आपका को आर्टिस्ट आपके सामने या डायरेक्टर है. So is there any insecurity, and do you feel scared while delivering your dialogues or anything? Like it can be,
मैं नहीं डरता हूँ. But what nice was कि shooting पे all care was being taken.
Okay.
So when you enter, आरोग्य सेतु ऐप दिखाओ. Oh, you are in a safe
Oh,
zone. Very good. फिर आपका
अच्छा.
वो टेम्परेचर चेक करो. फिर दूसरा कुछ चेक कराते थे, आपके ब्लड में कितना ऑक्सीजन है वो चेक करो. फिर सैनिटाइज. Then you go inside. Your makeup person and your dress person is wearing that whole kit. Everyone on set is wearing a mask. And while performing, you're making compositions which you're not standing too close to each other.
Okay, that's
So
nice. Okay.
love making scenes अभी
And
मुश्किल है.
moreover, I think now we have to live with this. Like it is there. Like it is there. आके गया भी होगा, हमको पता नहीं है. We are at home and maybe we are fit to take it. So there
Yeah.
is somebody from Qatar who's really close to us, like as a family, and his Durgesh sir. उन्होंने कहा है दिल की बात जुबान पे आ गई. His dialogue from movie गली गली चोर है.
हाँ.
Can he recite the same dialogue in the same way?
क्या है
आपको
वो
याद
dialogue?
है?
नहीं, याद नहीं है. दिल की
दिल
बात
की
जुबान
बात
पे
जुबान पे आ गई. हाँ,
उसके
पता नहीं,
आगे
शायद आपको मुझे नहीं पता.
दिल
ठीक है,
की
आप वापस
बात आ गई. उसके आगे क्या था मैं भूल गया हूँ.
अच्छा, ऐसे बोला था आपने? मुझे जाके देखना
I
पड़ेगा,
think
फिर मैं आपको बताती हूँ.
I have forgotten. It was a long time
Okay.
ago.
So there are so many people, they're really excited to see you. I am excited to see you. Everyone's like, multi-talented, awesome. Then people have said, love your spirit, and thank you, Amity, for coming, and bahut sahi. And Omi Kumar ji, I think he said calming thoughts when you spoke about motivational speaking, which is so important at this time. and to tell people. And so many people are so happy that you are here. I am so happy that you are here. So just we will take few minutes more with you because I don't know इसके बाद मैं आपको कभी मिलूंगी या आप मुझे कभी मिलोगे. Am I right?
Absolutely.
हम
I'm
ever
seeing you after how long? 2 years?
मैं 1.5, 2 years. Yes, correct. 2 years. Almost 2 years, yes. But we keep chatting up. That is the problem. We are in quarantine. We are just trying to, as you said, love yourself. We are trying to love ourselves. But somewhere social media is taken to chatting, to saying hi, hello. But somewhere we have just lost that touch with everybody. For that matter, even our relatives. Ki, okay, chalo ek phone lagate hain. You know how it is? So I think we have to change that somewhere, I personally feel. So Amitji, tell me one thing. Do you like dancing? Let's have fun in talks.
Dancing. Oh yeah, I love dancing, but I've been having backaches. So वरना मैं डांस भी करने वाला था ये लॉकडाउन में, because I have a friend who can come and
Huh,
teach me. She told me she's going to come and teach me.
huh.
I've been having little back pains, so I'm unable to dance. But I did Kallari. I did
Oh,
Kallari by
that's excellent. Yeah, you had told me that you had this culinary practices going on, and that was one of the reasons we couldn't meet up last time when I was there because that was the same
yeah,
time you were doing like a big workshop of culinary.
Kallari by yeah. That
Correct,
was
correct. That is
fascinating.
very very
Yes.
fascinating. Absolutely, that's nice. And you remember the songs that we did? There were only two songs, I think, two or three songs that we did. I
What was the
remember
song?
because I keep singing. We did one of Shafqat Ali, Mora Saiya Mose Bole Na. मोरा सैया वो वाला किया था और एक किया था बद्री की दुल्हनिया.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, बजरी की दुल्हनिया. Correct.
It was fun. आपके टेरेस पे किया था हमने.
Yes,
And then
yes.
ऊपर आपके टेरेस पे it was fun, like and one more very important thing, like I am like totally obsessed with being a Bombay girl. Are you also like equally obsessed, and what advantages as an actor you feel of being from Bombay, born and brought up and housed in Bombay?
Your home is in Bombay. Your parents are in Bombay. So
No, I am
बाकी
from Bombay ना. अच्छा अच्छा आपका okay.
I'm saying जो फायदा है, सबसे पहला
हाँ,
फायदा that your home is in Bombay. You're
absolutely.
living in Bombay, so आपका घर है, आपको खाना तो मिलेगा.
Hmm.
So many actors who come from other states और जिनके
Hmm.
पास पैसे भी नहीं है और यहाँ रह रहे हैं, उनको they have to figure out their stay, their their work, their food, managing everything. For me, luckily, I was in Bombay, living close to Prithvi Theatre, so my struggle was different.
Closest, yes. Your struggle was
My
different, correct.
my struggle was different. ये कम से कम नहीं था. Well, I was not finding the kind of success that I could have got at that time. But in the sense, open up होने वाली थी चीजें वो थोड़ी कम हुई. वो वाला स्ट्रगल होता है हर एक्टर को कि ये प्रोजेक्ट आपका आने ही वाला था और वो नहीं आया.
Like the pilot shoot हो गया and then maybe आया ही नहीं.
Like I did a film called Film City where I was playing the lead role, and there was John Abraham in it,
Hmm.
and we finished shooting the whole film, about 60 days of shoot, and well, it did not release for various reasons.
So is
It
it
was
very
during
depressing when something like this happens? Like,
it is. It took me a year to tell myself to get out of that, because उसके बाद I became. It takes a while for you to understand the how the industry functions. Its
mhm.
unpredictability. You have to get used to it.
Especially when
You
you don't have background, you're like a newcomer, like with
Yeah.
no, like that nepotism thing, what people say.
And with actors what happens कि आपकी उम्र बढ़ रही है ना, you're
Dancers,
growing.
actors, artists,
आपकी उम्र बढ़ रही है.
artists.
तो जो जिस उम्र में जिस किस्म का काम होता है वो उसी उम्र में होगा. बाद में अगर उम्र बदल गई तो उसमें काम होगा लेकिन अलग काम होगा.
जो
You
आपको
know?
करना था वो टाइम पे वो आप बाद में नहीं कर सकते. Maybe something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah. But
Hmm.
I feel very lucky because I got to explore on in theater, in television, in cinema, all the places. So I find myself lucky. I found, though I was not getting money at Prithvi, or it didn't matter to me because I was experimenting and experiencing in a gamut of
Many
ways, a
fields,
lot of. So
many ways.
yeah,
So if not for acting, would you get back to singing again or no?
singing is something is too personal for me. You know, I don't care if I sing professionally or I don't sing professionally. मैं
हाँ,
ईश्वर को याद करके गाना गाता हूँ ना तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I feel the voices to remember uh, and to be one with the self and with the
fun.
Lord.
Yeah, so
तो
it's
वो
more like your peace time and calmness that you get from music.
yeah, I also enjoy singing for people and as an entertainment thing, but it's more enjoyable and more fun when it is uh, it is your bandagi, it is your prayer, it's your meditation
Okay,
as
so
well.
yeah, I mean, please go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
No, so Amitji, I think you have I like what you're wearing, by the way, and I just love it.
Thank you.
I love the kurta that you're wearing. There is one request from me, and because you were talking that music gives you calmness, and many of the people are like constantly writing one behind the other. We would like to firstly listen from you that what message would you like to give everybody in this pandemic, and lastly we want to end on a very happy note. So can you end it with the calmness of your music? Like, can you sing a ghazal or something for us?
What is the first thing? हाँ, what pandemic में क्या करे ना?
क्या करें,
Pandemic में
आपको कैसे पॉजिटिव रहना है? जैसे बोलते हैं ना, जैसे अभी हम सब स्ट्रेस में हैं, बट हम कुछ ना कुछ, जैसे आपने बोला आपने म्यूजिक किया, सो व्हाट कैन पीपल डू एंड हाउ वुड दे
पहले
टेक
तो
इट इन फ्यूचर?
या आई थिंक पहले तो ना सफाई काम का की जरूरत है. पहले तो जहाँ होल्स है ना, नाव चल रही है, उसमें जहां जहां होल है वहां से पानी आ रहा है ना, तो पानी दिमाग मन की नाव है जिसमें पानी बहुत सारा वेस्ट आ रहा है. एक तो आ रहा है न्यूज़पेपर से और न्यूज से.
हाँ,
अब
करेक्ट.
क्या क्या हो रहा है कि हम उठते हैं और सीधा न्यूज़पेपर उठाते हैं या सेल फोन पे न्यूज़पेपर उठाते हैं या टीवी पे
न्यूज
न्यूज़
न्यूज
देखते
देखते हैं. हम्म.
हैं. अब क्या हुआ है, आप जस्ट उठे हैं अभी,
हम्म.
यू जस्ट वोकन अप, योर माइंड रिक्वायर्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ब्रेकफास्ट.
हम्म.
माइंड ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स ब्रेकफास्ट. जैसे शरीर को चाहिए खाना, ये तो व्हाट आर वी फीडिंग द माइंड? वी आर फीडिंग नेगेटिव न्यूज इमीडिएटली. सब मशीन गन की तरह सुबह में ऐसा टा 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 हो रहा है. That's how you're waking up. How
वेरी
harmful
ट्रू.
can that be? Imagine. Now, instead of you, for example, one day you did not switch on the TV and look for news, or you did not look in your cell phone. What you did was maybe you started a calm music rag, or you just sat down and created happy thoughts for yourself, or probably you started a meditation commentary or something that uh, sounds, or you just were looking, sitting with nature, sitting by a plant, or sitting on the terrace, or wherever, whatever suits you, whatever makes you comfortable, but with yourself, with something which is positive. Looking at a flower, for example, how many people, how many of us look at flowers closely? So ये शरीर जो है ये 5 तत्वों का बना है. 5 तत्व हमारे आसपास है, उसके सानिध्य में हम नहीं रहते. वी आर सिटी पीपल. इट्स वेरी सैड
या, या,
that we
या.
don't spend time with nature. इसलिए mind is like that. So one thing कि ये जो excess info हमें मिल रहा है, we are living in a world of information. हर तरह से information blast हो रहा है हमारे ऊपर. आंखों को मिल रहा है information, कानों को मिल रहा है information, इतने सारी चीजें बन गई है खाने की, वो इतना chaos है. The senses are constantly bombarded with all kinds of things. और अगर हम सिनेमा या ये देखने बैठते हैं तो एडवर्टीजमेंट्स हमारा दिमाग खराब कर देती है. ये खरीदो, ये लो, वो लो. सो ये सारा जो जा रहा है ना, उसको पहले थोड़ा
बोम्बार्डिंग
रोकना.
बोम्बार्डिंग हो रहा है, बोम्बार्डिंग.
उसको थोड़ा रोकना पड़ेगा, मतलब 10 वॉल्यूम जो चल रहा है वो उसको ऐसा 1 पे लाना पड़ेगा। तो सुबह में वो नहीं
That's a
किया,
very nice message. Yes.
वो हम नहीं करें। सुबह में पहले हमने बैठा, थोड़ा अपने आप के साथ समय बिताया, जैसे भी हमको अच्छा लगे। आई वुड सजेस्ट इफ यू गाइस लाइक टू लिसन टू स्टफ, कुछ सुनने की आदत होती है, कुछ देखने की आदत होती है, यू वांट टू
Hmm.
रिप्लेस दैट हैबिट विद समथिंग एल्स। सो
Okay.
सो शिवानी दीदी के, बीके शिवानी के,
Hmm.
there are this lovely series is called Soul Connections. One series
Soul
is called
connection.
Soul, one is Soul
Hmm.
Connections, one is Happiness Unlimited, one is
YouTube,
Being Bliss.
on YouTube.
YouTube. सो आपने सपोज सुबह में उठ के आपने एक एपिसोड देखा आधे घंटे का,
Hmm.
आपने देखा, आपने सुना, आपको कुछ नए विचार मिले, आपने उस विचार पे मंथन किया, एंड दोज थॉट्स आर अबाउट द सेल्फ। क्या है, हमने बहुत सारे दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स बहुत पढ़े हैं, हमने साइंस, मैथ्स, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, और ये शरीर के बारे में भी बहुत जाना है।
Anatomy.
ये जो पुस्तक है ना, ह्यूमन बीइंग, ह्यूमन कमिंग फ्रॉम द वर्ड ह्यूमस, 5 तत्वों का शरीर, 5 एलिमेंट्स, एंड बीइंग।
Hmm.
देखो, इसलिए 2 चीजें हैं, ह्यूमन और बीइंग।
Hmm.
ये पुस्तक हमने पढ़ी ही नहीं है, ना कोई हमें पढ़ाता है, और ये तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पुस्तक है। If I don't know how to operate this instrument that I have in the best way possible, if I don't know how to operate my cell phone in the best way, वो ऐप में क्या है मालूम नहीं है, ये फंक्शन मुझे नहीं मालूम है, तो मजा नहीं आएगा। वैसे
True, true.
the more we learned about ourselves,
Hmm.
हम अपने आप को, अपने जीवन को, अपने विचारों को केंद्रित कर पाए, we can choose our thoughts, we can understand, we can discern, we can decide, ये सारी क्वालिटीज हमें मिले। सो आई वो सो लिसनिंग टू समथिंग इन द मॉर्निंग इज कैन बी फन।
Because the start of the day is the day you carry yourself the whole day. I mean, I think that is something.
And also another experiment that has really worked for me is, for a long time I used to keep a beep on my cell phone, every hour it used to beep।
Hmm.
तो हर 1 घंटे के बाद 1 मिनट की साइलेंस।
Oh.
सो आपने आप जो भी काम कर रहे हो, बीप बजा ना, आप 1 मिनट के सब काम छोड़ के आप यू फोकस्ड ऑन योरसेल्फ, you went with it for 1 minute, just 1 minute।
That's a very nice one. I will try because I'm somebody who's absolutely hyper as a nature. And
Just try this for 21 days, do it for 3 months।
21 पहले करती हूँ, फिर 3 months कर लूंगी।
21 दिन कीजिए आप, you
हाँ
will
जी।
see the difference, because ये 1 मिनट का साइलेंस ना आप थ्रू द डे आप ले रहे हो, जमा कर रहे हो।
Super.
एंड सो बाय दी सो 1 मिनट शांत रहने से क्या होगा, आपका जो नेक्स्ट 1 घंटा है वो अपने आप एम्पावर हो गया, क्योंकि 1 घंटे में आप जो भी टास्क करे तो उसमें आपका मन चला गया, आप ये बहुत सारा विचार कर लिया आपने, फिर 1 मिनट आपने पॉज किया, क्या सोच रहा था मैं, यहाँ ये बराबर है, नाउ बैक।
So you also re-energize yourself.
Yes, your mind requires that, no, थोड़ा pause, it requires a pause, constantly चल रहा है। And then
Absolutely.
same thing you do in the evening when the sun is setting। सनसेट का जो समय है, देखो सनसेट कैसी नेचर की कमाल की चीज है कि किसी को भी वहां ले जाओ वो अपने आप शांत हो जाए। If you look at the sunset, you will automatically start creating positive thoughts or peaceful thoughts, right? So समय भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो वो समय पे भी अगर हम बैठ गए थोड़ा 10 मिनट 15 मिनट, how much does it take to just sit 15 minutes and just cleanse कि आज हमने दिन में क्या क्या किया, क्या डिसीजंस गलत थे, विदाउट अपने आप को चाबुक मारे बगैर, वी कीप हर्टिंग आवरसेल्व्स अ लॉट, अपने आप को बहुत गालियां देते हैं, क्यों ऐसा किया तुमने, नहीं करने की जरूरत थी, वो ना करें हम, थोड़ा अपने आप को
love yourself for people to love you।
सो थोड़ा सा ना ये आदत बन गई है हमारी अपने आप को ये करने की, और होता है वो एक दिन
And
में कहीं
especially, I think that is, Amitji, with the people who are living in cities, because we are so much in rush that it just takes us to another level. Like I still remember, it was a struggle to probably get on at any station, and from station your house was like really nearby, but to reach to your house walking also was a struggle for me. Means,
yes,
I'm just giving examples that everything is so much rush everywhere. Like
yes.
from my house to station, I have to wait for a rickshaw, and rickshaw nahi to ye, bus nahi to wo. So I think people from cities should really change their lifestyle.
इसलिए क्या है कि बाहर की जो गति है उसको आप नहीं रोक पाओगे, वो तो
Hmm.
जैसी है वैसी रहने वाली है। पर
Hmm.
आपने क्या किया है with रियाज एंड with experimenting with yourself and experiencing
Hmm.
by meditating on your original self, आपने क्या किया कि आपकी अंदर की जो गति है उसको आपने स्लो डाउन कर,
Gati means speed, you mean?
स्पीड, द स्पीड ऑफ योर
Speed.
थॉट्स आपने उसको कम
Huh.
किया,
Huh.
स्पीड एंड क्वालिटी
Correct.
बोथ, एंड क्वालिटी आल्सो, व्हाट एम
True.
आई थिंकिंग। तो स्पीड और क्वालिटी आपने अंदर कम की है अगर, तो बाहर
Hmm.
अगर पेस ज्यादा है ना, इट डोंट मैटर टू मच, क्योंकि यू कैन चेंज द वर्ल्ड, यू कैन चेंज योरसेल्फ। एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज वी हम लोग क्या है, वर्ल्ड के जनरल मैनेजर बन के बैठते हैं बहुत सारे लोग।
Huh.
वी वांट टू जनरल मैनेज द होल वर्ल्ड, उसमें there is no, क्या है कि खुद का मैनेजमेंट जमता नहीं है, किसी के पास से
Huh.
मैनेज कर, तो
Correct.
खुद का मैनेजमेंट जमाने के का रियाज करना है।
Then we have the authority to go and be a general manager to other people.
It will become natural. One who
Huh.
can manage oneself well will be or will automatically manage things outside well.
So people have
So
started
management,
writing
yeah,
that we are going to try the 21 days thing, the
yeah,
silence. From
yes,
Qatar,
please,
people are writing it.
yeah. Morning में कीजिएगा, शाम को and through the day 1 minute,
Superb,
and
superb. We will do that.
you can play a soothing meditative music if you like.
Hmm.
Make it fun, make it silent, and make it fun. And peace of mind, when we say peace of mind, meaning what? A silent, what is a silent mind? हम कहते हैं silent mind मतलब क्या, विचार नहीं आ रहा है? नहीं,
Hmm.
विचार तो आने वाला है, मन की प्रकृति है विचार करना,
Hmm.
पर विचार की क्वालिटी क्या है? If the vichar, if our thoughts are elevated, if they are of gratitude, if they are of happiness, if they are of love, they are automatically slow. They're not fast. अगर आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है ना, तो you'll be like this. Your thoughts
Hmm.
will be like. If you are stressed, your thoughts will be like.
Wavering, wavering.
And it will be fast. Your
Hmm. Hmm.
energies will.
Hmm.
क्या होता है इंसान तब, क्या होता है, वो कैसा होता है,
Correct.
वो
Huh.
शांत होता है, कैसा होता है, क्योंकि विचार वैसे, क्योंकि विचार वैसे। So when you start picking thoughts, and when you कौन उन्हीं विचारों में आप घूमो, when you read something, when you read a nice poetry or a nice thought that you read from any spiritual book or uh, any philosopher has said, or from the Bhagavad Gita or from any saint,
Anything. Any same. Huh.
तो आप जब आप सुनते हो और उस पर आप थोड़ा सा चिंतन करते हो और
Huh.
सेल्फ की क्वालिटीज का चिंतन करते हो, दैट आई एम पीस, आई एम हैप्पीनेस, आई एम लव, तो अपने आप द फास्ट running mind becomes
Huh.
slow and happy. So
The rush goes in from us.
yeah, so 25 to 30 thoughts a minute में से if we get our thoughts to 10,
Hmm.
then ये तुरंत नहीं होगा, इसको समय लगेगा, but 21 days में you will be definitely you will be able to change the quality of your thinking, because you will be observing your thoughts. हम we need to observe our thoughts like a mother observes her children.
Children, yes.
बच्चे खेल रहे हैं तो माँ ऐसे बैठ के देखती है ना दूर से, बराबर क्या कर रही है। फिर अगर ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत बहुत मस्ती कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसे जाके खड़ी होती है, दोनों ऐसे चुप
That
हो
is a
जाते
nice one. Yes, yeah.
हैं, क्योंकि वो दोनों
Very,
चुप हो
very
जाते हैं।
artistically. Yeah.
तो वैसे ही हमें हमारे विचारों को देखना है, और फिर ज्यादा
Huh.
वो कर रहे तो फिर मम्मी की तरह जाके थोड़ा सा खड़ा रहना है विथ लव,
Of course, yeah.
and then create the thought that you want to.
Correct,
and
correct.
and, and also seeing a visual within the eye of the intellect, whatever you want to
हाँ,
become. If you
true,
first thing in the
true.
morning, if you see a visual of yourself, who you want to become,
हाँ,
क्या you want to see yourself happy, see yourself happy, see yourself successful, see that image of yours very clean, clear, first thing in the morning, instead of watching the news. अपने आप की जो इमेज आपको देखनी है, आपको जो चाहिए जीवन में, जैसा बनना चाहते हैं आप, वो आप ऑलरेडी हैं, वैसी इमेज क्रिएट करके देखें उसको with a lot of love and look at it with a lot of love that you've already become that. So then slowly that starts manifesting. Your
हम्म,
subconscious start leading you towards your goal. वो आपको अपने आप इंस्पायर करेगा. You will pick up those things that you will take you to whatever you want to become. एंड डाउट्स नहीं, वहां पर डाउट्स नहीं, होगा कि नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा तो फिर क्या होगा, पता नहीं मैं क्या करूंगा क्या करूंगी, ये नहीं, होगा.
आप जैसे एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो ना, तो उससे इतना अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा है कि आप सारी वही करेंगे जो आपने बोला है.
Because it has worked for me. You see, I've been practicing Raj Yoga meditation for about 6 years now, on and off. But I try and be as regular as possible. तो उससे this I have started understanding and learning the spirit science of the spirit.
हम्म,
क्या मेन स्ट्रीम साइंस ने क्या है, हमें शरीर के बारे में, ब्रेन के बारे में, सेल्स के बारे में, डीएनए के बारे में, हाउ द ब्लड फ्लोज, वो सारा हमें बहुत बताया है, हम सब जानते हैं. एंड विच इज ब्यूटीफुल. उसकी वजह से हम आज इतनी सुख सुविधाएं एंजॉय कर पा रहे हैं साइंस की वजह से. बट साइंस ऑफ द स्पिरिट, ये हमारे संत बता के गए हैं. उनको कोई उनमें किसी को इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है. अभी साईं बाबा, आप इमेजिन कीजिए, साईं बाबा है या संत ज्ञानेश, तो ये सारे जो संत थे, वो हमने देखा है, हमने पढ़ा है, हमने देखा भी है कि वो किसी को हाथ लगाते थे या सर पे हाथ रखते थे तो वो हील हो जाता था. राइट,
हम्म,
हमने देखा है.
यस.
क्या ये कैसे होता था, ये क्या थे, वो तो हमारी तरह इंसान ही थे. तो ऐसा क्या था
हम्म,
उनमें जो जो हम में नहीं है, और हमने क्या किया, उनको भगवान मान लिया. अरे साईं बाबा बैठ के कह रहे हैं सबका मालिक एक, और ऐसा उंगली ऊपर दिखा रहे हैं, तो वो कहां से भगवान हो गए.
ट्रू.
वो कह रहे हैं श्रद्धा. सो ही इज अ स्पिरिचुअल साइंटिस्ट,
हम्म,
ही इज द साइंटिस्ट ऑफ द स्पिरिट. उन्होंने स्पिरिट को समझा है. हमारे जितने भी ज्ञानी संत पुरुष हो गए हैं भारत में, बहुत सारे हैं. if you see this, there's a channel called Geeta Online on
हम्म,
YouTube. एक I forget the gentleman's name, very lovely orator. वो भी साधक है. वो बहुत सारे ऐसे संत हैं, उनके बारे में, उनके जीवन के बारे में बताते हैं. सो इट्स हम पॉलिटिशियंस के बारे में जानते हैं, हम एक्टर्स के बारे में जानते हैं, हम डॉक्टर्स के बारे में जानते हैं, इन सब के बारे में जानते हैं. हम हमारे संतों के बारे में क्यों नहीं जानते. वो तो साइंटिस्ट थे, स्पिरिट का साइंस उनके पास था. क्या
हम्म,
बोला रामकृष्ण परमहंस, क्या कहते थे. तो ये भगवत गीता, इफ यू if you watch Soul Connections, or if you also watch BK उषा जी करके है, राजयोग शिक्षिका है, वेरी सीनियर टीचर. शी हैज स्टडीड द 18 गीतास, all the 18 गीतास that exist in
ओ,
detail, और परमात्मा का ज्ञान के साथ, the way she explains the Gita and the need of the knowledge of the Gita to come into our daily lives. वो कैसे लाएं
हम्म,
हमारे प्रैक्टिकल जीवन में, गीता ज्ञान को कैसे हम इनकॉर्पोरेट करें, और क्यों जरूरी है, इसकी बातें करती है. और क्या है उसका स्पिरिचुअल एसेंस,
हम्म,
उसका एसेंस, उसके गीता ज्ञान द्वारा स्पिरिट के बारे में क्या बताया गया है. क्या किसी ने हमें अच्छी तरह से समझाया है ये बात. नहीं समझाइए. बीके उषा जी है. You must about 10 classes, 10 videos about 1.5 hour each on the Gita.
Oh, nice.
So if you watch one video a day in the morning, 1.5 hours,
It's
उसमें से
it's
note
BK, right? It's BK.
BK
BK.
Usha
Okay.
Behan ji. BK Usha Behan ji.
All
So you
right.
get a lovely perspective on the Gita and how simple the knowledge is and how to apply it in your daily lives.
Day-to-day life, correct.
Yeah.
So
So
basically,
ये
that will actually help us get through
yeah,
all the situation, whether good or bad, and how we are facing now today.
because हमारे बिलीफ सिस्टम को हमें हमें चेंज करना है. हम क्या सोचते हैं कि मैं ये शरीर हूँ. I am a being and this is my body. Who am I? I am a being of light. I am not the body. This is my body. And this being का ही part है mind. So it's my mind. It's like a child and mind is like a monkey.
Yes,
Mind is
it's
like a
very
little
playful.
monkey. It
Playful.
is it is it is uh, it is a copycat. एक तो copycat है और अस्थिर है. It's constantly doing that.
Playful and
And
yeah.
it copies the world.
Hmm.
इसने देखा हो गया वो you want to do that. So how do you know try and organize that? मन को सुमन कैसे बनाए. अपना दोस्त बनाना है मन को. अब your
That's
mind
really
is your
nice. Yeah.
वो बच्चा है ना उसको दोस्त बनाना है. तो दोस्त बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा. उससे बातचीत करनी पड़ेगी. लाइक वी टॉक टू आवर फ्रेंड. हमें किसी दोस्त को एडवाइस देनी होती है तो इट्स वेरी
Hmm.
सिंपल फॉर. क्या नहीं कुछ नहीं हो जाएगा. सब हो जाएगा. सबकी लाइफ में ऐसा होता है. इसमें क्या हो गया. कोई थोड़े टाइम में तो ठीक हो जाएगा. दोस्त को हम बता सकते हैं
Huh.
अब भी तू देखना 3 महीने के अंदर सब मस्त हो जाएगा. अपने
Very
आप को
very
नहीं बोल
Bombay.
पाते.
Yeah. अपने आप को नहीं
अपने
भूल
आप
सकते.
नहीं बोल पाते. तो ये क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो. किसने रोका है
Hmm.
हमको. क्योंकि हमें पता नहीं है. हमें पहचाना नहीं है अपने आप को. हम पहचानेंगे अपने आप को कि ये मेरा मन है और मैं इससे दोस्त बना हूं. एंड बिकॉज माइंड हैज लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी. इट इज द वन दैट क्रिएट्स थॉट्स एंड द वन दैट फील्स. मन है जिसको सर्दी गर्मी लगती है. भूख
Hmm.
उसे महसूस होती है मन को. तो ये जो मन है जो मेरा दोस्त है उसको उससे हम शत्रु बने हुए हैं बहुत बहुत. एंड वो अपने अपने मन से चीजें करता है.
Hmm.
It is driven by the senses. Mind is hijacked by the senses. आंखें देख रही है तो उसमें उधर चला गया मन. कान ये सुन रहे उधर चला गया मन. ये खाने लगे तो उसी पे लग गया मन. फिर उस वापस लाने में टाइम लगता है. So your senses also come in. Okay, what are you seeing? What are you watching every day? What are you listening to every day? All that matters because ये सब जगह से इंफॉर्मेशन जा रही है अंदर. और आजकल क्या इंफॉर्मेशन है जो जा रही है अंदर. It's all chaos.
Amiji, yes, that's what I wanted to ask you because obviously because you're please have a sip of water if you want to.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
because we thought, like I thought personally, that this is going to be about acting, this, that, but trust me, it's been a wonderful interview that I've been taking with a lot of people, and a lot of people have been sharing their struggles. And today you were a person who actually solved a lot of struggles that we go in our personal lives. So your chat was not only about acting or watch me do this, watch me do that. It was more about yourself, and it was more motivational and inspiring. And
It's about ourselves. It's
ourselves,
about
yes.
it's ourselves. We the more we understand and know ourselves, we'll be able to manage ourselves better, manage
Better,
our
true.
mind, manage our bodies, manage our relationships, manage everything around us well.
Hmm.
I think that is important. That's most important. फिर पैसे आज नहीं आए कल आ गए. That's besides the point.
Immaterial, yeah. So before we end it with the song that we thought that you will sing, one ghazal if possible. I want to ask you one last question of this interview. It's a little like little related to your field of acting. this news, as you mentioned, Sushant Singh Rajput, then, you being outsider also, you think that all this is true, and have you faced it ever?
Uh, no, I have not faced this. I have faced delays, I have faced rejections, but ये मैंने फेस नहीं किया है पर्सनली. एंड yes,
आपको
the
लगता है
journey.
नेपोटिज्म एग्जिस्ट करता है, या इट्स ओके टू बी, बिकॉज देखो हमेशा
Nepotism,
जैसे आप लॉयर थे, तो आपको ऑब्वियसली
nepotism.
अगर लॉयर बनते तो आपको शायद इजी हो जाता आपके डैड के थ्रू, तो आपको लगता है कि नेपोटिज्म है, या होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए, इट्स रॉन्ग और राइट?
नेपोटिज्म हर जगह है, whether we like it or not. आप अपनी
यस,
सोसाइटी में
एग्जैक्टली।
अपनी सोसाइटी में जहाँ रहती है, आप सबसे बात करती है क्या? हम सबसे बात करते हैं, हम 10 लोग
नहीं,
से
नॉट
बात
रियली।
करते हैं कि नहीं? The people whom you are connected to, you are in touch
टॉकिंग।
with, right? अब क्या होता है, ये ग्रुपिज्म, ये इंसान की फितरत है. शिवसेना इज अ ट्राइब, बीजेपी इज अ ट्राइब, कांग्रेस इज अ ट्राइब, Karan Johar is a tribe, Salman Khan is a tribe, Ajay Devgan is a tribe. There, each one is a tribe. We, as humans, we have functioned, and we. Maharashtra is a tribe, Gujarat is a tribe, Tamil Nadu is a tribe. They are different tribes. Gujaratis are a tribe, and Marathis are a tribe, and
The camp
Bengalis are a
word that
tribe.
you're using, camp करके जो बोल रहे हैं, so we are obviously a camp of people, a camp of society, or a camp of, particular religion,
Yeah.
culture.
तो जैसे अभी जहाँ कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में देखो, जो द बिग बॉसेस जो ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं, दे विल वांट टू हैव पीपल अराउंड द वे, उनको अपनी तरह से चलाना होगा, चलाएंगे. बट सक्सेस इज अ मैटर ऑफ हार्ड वर्क एंड लक. I mean, the rest,
Luck.
each to their own views, you know. For me personally, मैं मैं बहुत टाइम तक ना, आई टेल यू, फॉर 3-4 years आई वाज नॉट एक्टिंग. मैं टेलीविजन कुछ करना था, मैं थिएटर करता था चुपचाप. एंड बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट आई वांटेड ऑन टेलीविजन वाज नॉट हैपनिंग. सिनेमा में कुछ नहीं जम रहा था, कोई मजा नहीं आ रहा था. सो आई वाज राइटिंग. I wrote a lot of screenplays with a friend of mine called Naushal Mehta, very senior writer and a very dear friend. उनके साथ वो जो लिख रहे थे, उनके साथ he said कि if you would like to join me to writing, so that helped me learn about writing on new crafts, and it also paid me.
Even better.
So yeah, not so much money, but yes, I could
Yes,
move to
little
the
bit,
next
yeah.
step. I could move to the next step. So I have conducted myself like that. फिर बीच में कभी मैं एपिसोडिक कर लेता था. सिनेमा में कितना टाइम तक, if you see running shows on television, I've done very few. Shubh
So
Mangal
basically,
Saavdhan,
it's all about your hard work and how you put
and your
forward
passion.
yourself.
And your
Passion,
passion.
yeah.
मुझे तो यही आता है, और मैं जिंदगी भर यही करने वाला हूँ. कहाँ जाना है, यहीं तो रहना है. और अभी तो all kinds of platforms are there. And if there is no work for such a long time, sometimes there is no work, but you're working on yourself, right? आपका अपने पे काम तो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होता है.
कभी भी नहीं, करेक्ट.
Yeah, money struggles happen sometime, but वो तो हर एक के जीवन में होता है.
और जितना है ना उतना, मतलब हमें कमी लगने वाला है अगर हम उस चीज पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे तो. मतलब जैसे थोड़ा भी होगा तो हम उसमें चला सकते हैं, लेकिन बिकॉज वी हैव चेंज्ड आवर लाइफस्टाइल सो मच, we want more money to live that lifestyle. Like I personally feel that.
हाँ, वो उस desires और lifestyle बढ़ाने का
Desires, yeah.
वो भी, it's like fire, you know. Desires are like fire. So the moment they catch, एक के साथ दो, दो के साथ तीन, तीन के साथ चार, then it's a whole blast. And then you want to, पानी चाहिए आपको उसको बुझाने के लिए. So you want
बुझाने
to,
के लिए, correct.
you want to get that money and buy that. और फिर buy करने के बाद 3 दिन में you are done with it.
Yeah, वो because वो खत्म हो जाता है ना, satisfaction अभी आ गया, हमारा ही तो है.
So now you understand how important that is.
True, absolutely.
So yeah, so put things in perspectives, we automatically our lifestyle checkings also keep happening.
Correct. So we have to
Yeah.
keep ourselves grounded and do our work well. So we will reach heights. It's normal as that.
Yeah. जो रोज काम करेगा इंडस्ट्री में, मैंने एक चीज देखी है, अगर आप काम करने के लिए तैयार हो ना,
हाँ,
if you are willing to work, there will always be work. And if you are good at your
हाँ,
job, you need to be good at your job. Please learn your job
correct.
well. जो भी आप काम करते हो, जितना हो
हाँ,
सके उस पर काम करो ईमानदारी से, तो काम मिलेगा ही
हाँ,
मिलेगा. And also people take themselves too seriously. अब क्या है, अपने आप को इतना अगर पकड़ के समझ लिया मैं तो ये हूँ, तो फिर तकलीफ होगी.
हम्म,
Like if you like I always try and approach my work as like a child playing. You're playing, you're having fun. उसको बहुत सीरियस लेंगे तो then it becomes difficult. ये नहीं हुआ तो फिर I've been through that when a couple of films, big projects that I did and they did not release for various reasons. तभी क्योंकि इतनी मेहनत गई होती है तो it is a setback, but you that's how you grow, that's how you evolve, that's how you become stronger.
Okay, so moving on to our last segment, that is going to be your ghazal, obviously. And would you like people, before we move on to your ghazal, would you like people to follow you on some social media platforms
Yeah,
where they can
please
see
follow
your
me.
work?
In fact, was not very active
Socially
on
active.
Instagram. Yeah,
Yes.
but in last 2-3 months, I'm enjoying being on Instagram. So please follow me. My handle is at actor Amit Mistry on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram. Like to see you there.
Yes. Yes, please follow him, actor Amit Mistry. That's the Instagram handle, and his website's name is as simple as this. You can see it right there, amitmistry.in. That's his website. Am I right?
Yes, website is still new. We are still developing it. So बहुत सी चीजें हैं नहीं,
But
but
it's a
it's
very
there.
nice website. But it's a very
It's
nice
there.
website. Like most of the things are there about you. So,
हाँ.
would you? So you are enjoying social media. You mean to say, like now you are going to
हाँ,
be active completely.
Instagram को एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. So I'm going to be on Instagram now for some time. जब तक मैं बोर नहीं हो जाता.
नहीं नहीं बोर मत होना. Social media
नहीं
is
होते.
good for artists
Yeah,
like
yeah.
us.
Yes, I'm
But
enjoying it.
only thing is we cannot pressurize ourselves with followers. Like अरे उसके इतने
No.
followers है, ये है, वो है. So वो
Yeah,
artist को कभी कभी बहुत pressurize करता है. Obviously आपको नहीं करेगा. अब you have your
see,
way
if you
beyond
if
just
you
Instagram.
if you see, I don't have, because I have an account from a while, but I was not
Hmm.
active. And if you
That
even
I
see
know.
now, I don't have too many followers because I've just started being active.
हाँ
And
जी,
it doesn't
correct.
matter, जो भी मुझे मजा आ रहा है कनेक्ट करने में इंस्टाग्राम के जरिए, तो
Absolutely.
it is nice. I'm
और
enjoying.
जिसको देखना है वो देखेगा और जिसको नहीं देखना है वो whatever. Your wish.
Yeah.
That's really nice. Amitji, it was an amazing conversation. I'm sure everybody watching you has felt the same thing and they have really liked it. You, after I post this on, obviously it's going on my Facebook page. You have to see the amount of love that they have given you, and
Wow.
because you gave them what they really wanted to hear. And I thought we might just talk chill and about acting. But you, in this interview, you have given more than what I and maybe they also expected. So thank you for the watchers and thank you,
My pleasure.
Amitji.
My pleasure so
So
much. Thank you so
आपके
much.
yeah, just requesting you that you just sing couple of ghazal like lines for us, and then it will be ending on a very positive and a calm note.
गजल सुनाऊं क्या? गजल यार.
ठीक है गजल नहीं है तो आप अपने हिसाब से like whatever you like how you Musafir Hu Yaro is like amazing song, you know, something like that.
एक कबीर का दोहा था जिसको मैंने अभी अभी थोड़ा कंपोज किया था. टू
Please,
लाइन्स आई
please,
कैन. कबीर
please.
को याद करते हैं, संतों की बात की हमने. धीरे धीरे रे मना, धीरे सब कुछ हो, माली सींचे सौ घड़ा, रुत आवे फल हो। ओ धीरे धीरे रे मना, धीरे सब कुछ हो। माली सींचे सौ घड़ा, रुत आवे फल हो। रुत आवे फल हो, रुत आवे फल।
थैंक यू सो मच। आप क्या इसको आप एक थोड़ा इंग्लिश या हिंदी में आप इसको इजियर वे में समझा सकते हैं फॉर सम ऑडियंस?
जब रुत आती है तब मन को धीरे करने को कह रहे हैं। कभी धीरे धीरे रे मना, जो हमने सारी बातें की,
बातें
धीरे
की,
सब कुछ हो है
करेक्ट, इट्स रियली
कि डोंट
हाँ,
स्ट्रेस सो मच, इट्स ओके, एवरीथिंग विल हैपन इन इट्स ओन टाइम। जब ऋतु आती है तो अपने आप फल आते हैं। मैंगो की सीजन आती है तो अपने आप मैंगो आ जाता है, उसे कुछ कहना नहीं पड़ता, अपने आप आ जाता है। तो अगर हम काम करते रहे, अपना अपना मंथन करते रहे, तो अपने आप जब सीजन आएगी तो इट विल ब्लॉसम, द फ्लावर्स विद इन अस विल ब्लॉसम ऑटोमेटिकली। बट इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट
वेरी
टू
नाइस,
कीप चर्निंग।
वेरी नाइस। Okay, everybody. So we are ending our chat with Mr. Amit Mistry ji, and he's been wonderful person, today. And obviously, he has always been. Personally, I know him, and today, because of this particular medium or platform, I'm also able to talk to him and know so much about him. So you can see Bandish Bandits on Amazon Prime Video. That's his new series that he's going to be there with Mr. Nasruddin Shahji. When is it releasing, Amitji? Can you tell them that?
4th August. 4th August.
Oh, so it's like right now within like
Yeah.
next 10 10 days.
Yeah, trailer is out already. Nice trailer, 2.5 minute.
Okay, so yeah, I will search the trailer maybe on your page or somewhere, and then I post it immediately after our interview so that people
Yeah.
get to see
Yeah,
that as well.
It's there on my Insta. It's there on my Insta.
Sure, I will post it on Facebook as well as on Instagram so that we all get to catch up and see it on 4th of August.
Yes.
Thank you so much, and we will take a leave. Good night, because वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा night हो गई है। यहाँ ही इतने बज गए already. I think it's 8 o'clock or something. Yeah, almost 8, and वहाँ पर I'm sure 10:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have to eat your mom's amazing food, right? Auntie's like amazing cook.
Yeah, but I had dinner and then I came talking to you. So
अच्छा
I'm
हो गया।
happy.
मेरे चैट में हमेशा चैट में जब बैठती हूँ ना, I tell people I don't know when it's going to go. It's just with the flow. I have not prepared anything. Let's just take it with the flow. So you eat and you come. At least people who are
Yeah.
joining from India.
Yeah.
Okay, namaste to auntie, uncle, and hi to your brother. We will meet soon, and thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.
My pleasure. Thank you. Bye bye.
Namaste, namaste. Take care, Vijay.